COSMO 365, the central platform for business applications in the cloud. No more password confusion and managing several accounts with different software providers. Single sign-on allows you to simplify and securely access and manage all applications with a single account at one location. You can cover orders, availability, management, and invoicing for all of your business applications on a single platform. In addition to the cloud products of different providers, you will also find the proven solutions of the COSMO 365 portfolio, tailored to your requirements. Thanks to the Marketplace Billing Center, you'll always have a comprehensive overview of your orders. The flexible and transparent price model allows you to scale in no time. And with the intuitive user administration, licenses can be granted to employees with ease. But COSMO 365 is more than just a marketplace. The team of experts also offers you the practical service packages. These enable you to get acquainted with your newest applications in no time and get the best out of them. Take the plunge and give COSMO 365 a try. COSMO 365, the central platform for business applications in the cloud. Register now.